Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create an ERC20 token from scratch. If you don't know what an ERC20 token is, it is basically an Ethereum based cryptocurrency standard which can be used as money to transfer value from one person to another person or from one source to another source on Ethereum blockchain. And you can create your own ERC20 token in less than 2 minutes. So if you want to have your own cryptocurrency, follow me. So to create a crypto token, the only thing we need to have is a few Ether in our metamask wallet so that we can deploy our token on the blockchain. Don't worry, if you don't want to spend money on that, we can get some dummy coins and can deploy our token on the testnet to see how it works. So let's get started. First of all, let's go to remix.ethereum.org. Create a new smart contract. We give it the name of YouTube token.sol. First of all, we will write the license. Which is MIT. Now let's start writing the code. The first line would be pragma solidity 0.8.4. This is basically the compiler we want to use for our program. Now let's import OpenZeppelin library to create our ERC20 token. And let's start writing our smart contract. Our token name is YouTube token and it is inherited from the ERC20 token library we have imported from the OpenZeppelin. Now let's write our constructor function. It basically tells our smart contract that our token name is this, and in our case this is YouTube token, and our ticker or the symbol of our token will be YTC. Initially we want a total supply of 20,000 tokens. And our decimal would be 18 decimal. At this point in time, our token creation is completed, but right now our total supply of tokens would remain bound to 20,000 tokens, and we can't increase our total supply in the future if we want. So in order to include mint functionality, we need to import another OpenZeppelin library which is called ownable library. So let's import it. Now let's write our mint function so that we can mint our tokens in the future if we want. Now our mint function is written and our smart contract is compiled successfully. So now let's deploy our smart contract on the blockchain. So I'll need to select injected web3 from the drop down list and deploy it. Let's select our token from this drop down list and click on deploy. So our smart contract is deployed successfully. Let's copy the deployment hash and search it on the Ring-B test network. Go to Google and search for Ring-B testnet. Paste the deployment hash and click search. So this is our smart contract deployment details. This is our smart contract hash. Click on it and this is our token page. You can see YouTube token with symbol of YTC. Let's click on that. So here is our total supply. So congratulations, you have deployed your very own cryptocurrency on blockchain, and you can mint it and you can exchange it with others and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you.